Okay, so there are 3 different types of cho, and cho is basically like the sound that it makes when you press the key. See? So this is the one that I bought. It's the cha cho. Cha cho is said to be the one that has the sound, has the feeling, but not the clicky sound. And here, and you might wonder, why do I have 2 keyboards? I actually didn't buy this one here. I just found it. It's like they just throw it in the, you know, like when they leave the dorm and they just throw it over there. I just got really curious, like how is the feeling of this one? And then I just took it to record this video because I found not a single video making this comparison. So pay attention. Oh no, I opened something here. So let's go over here. This is the sound. And this is the other one. Now that I think about it, it's like actually very good. I was criticizing the cha-cho, pay attention. But actually it's pretty decent. Like, compare with this one, like it's just a standard. The standard is this one, so see? Like a laptop typical keyboard. And this one, it does have a feeling. I think that's right, like kind of the purpose of the cha-cho. And this I think is hongcho or lancho. Lancho, see, it's actually blue. So the way of seeing them is like if you take all this stuff here, I don't know how to do it, but if you take it out, you will see some kind of brown thing that is like the T. It's called like T cho, which is like the T button. And this is like the blue lancho, the blue cho. So you can see like it's just how it is. Now you have it, the full comparison. And what I can say is like this sound is highly annoying. So don't do it. Like make your roommates, like be nice with your roommates. Don't just buy some clicky keyboards like this. This is very mean, especially like for those guys who sleep very late. Anyway, here. Okay, I really prefer this one. This one is good though.